All right, we're up and running. Thanks for being patient with me. You can see there's a really unique feature about this particular townhome with the covered porch. As we get closer, you'll see just more about what I'm talking about. And again, this is for 20109 Chanticleer Place in Oregon City. Thanks for coming inside with me. You can see that the entryway is quite spacious. Lots of space here to sit down, put your shoes on, make yourself at home from a long day. You'll see that there's also a coat closet upon the entry. And as we come down to the left here, you'll see that on the main level, you've got your half bath for your guests or your utilization to use while you're on the main floor. You'll also notice that there's some engineered hardwood that's throughout. It's throughout the entryway and the bathroom, hallway, dining room, and kitchen. And you'll notice here also, I want to point out how spacious this dining room is. There's a table there and it doesn't even fill the space. So there's definitely a lot more room that's capable here of hosting a bigger table, bigger or smaller family. It's really what your imagination limits you to. So room for entertaining here, turning around into the cozy living room and ceiling fan. There is air conditioning with this home. Just wanting to point that out as well. We've got some updated lighting that you'll see right here as well. And very low maintenance yard with, again, a covered little area. I'll show you that right here. And a freshly stained deck and fully fenced. So very, very move-in ready, no maintenance. You've got a spot for your little barbecue and some chairs if you prefer to do some outdoor living. The kitchen features tile counters, cabinetry, the oak finished maple cabinetry. You've got updated hardware like the oil rub bronze hardware. You've got stainless steel appliances. You've got your dishwasher, your equal basin sink with pull-out faucet. You've got full height backsplash, window coverings throughout, gas range for your cooking lovers. Gas is lovely to have. Your built-in microwave. The pantry is a really great size. I'll open up that for you as well to take a peek. The pantry is a great size. Also featuring this eating bar and island that you can utilize as well. Just a lovely home. Just to recap again, it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a 1-car attached garage, 1746 square feet. There's low HOAs, which is just only $243 per year. Before we take a peek upstairs, I would like to point out the wrought iron open stair rail system included, and then also there is storage under these stairs. So if you like storage, you've got space there. So going upstairs, a way to get a hold of me about this home is if you text Oregon City Home to 503-536-7208. For now, it'll send you a link and it'll take you to a website with my contact information. But as of tomorrow, it will take you to a property website specifically for this property. We will start up in the upper level, just looking at the loft area. There is a smaller loft area up here that you could have as a reading nook or another type of nook, whatever you enjoy to do. And we'll take a peek at the bedrooms at the top of the stairs. Again, on the first bedroom, we've got the ceiling fan. And we've got some closet space with a shelf in there. Again, window coverings throughout. We've got carpet on the stairs in the upper level. And the second bedroom, carpet. These two bedrooms are about the same size, around 10 by 11 bedrooms. We've got a pretty sizable laundry room with cabinetry. The washer and dryer are not staying, but you can see how they fit just plentiful in there, and the cabinetry for storage is always great to have. Then the upper level hallway bathroom, tile counters, and really well-maintained home, bathroom, everything. We've got some more storage over here and linens in this closet on, I believe it's this side right here. So this is great. And the grand finale, the master bedroom. I know you've been waiting to see this. This is a very, very, very spacious room. You can see the cove ceilings, the ceiling fan. Again, this home, it does have ceiling fans, but I want to mention it does have central air coming into our hot summer nights that you'll get to enjoy. You can see this room is very, very spacious. More than enough room for what you need. You can even have a stay-at-home desk for work in here. You can have a little fitness area. There's just a lot of room here that you can utilize. This home really does live large. You have to see it to really, truly encompass the feeling of all the space that it offers. We've got your dual sinks, so there's no arguing on who gets the sink in the morning. Tile counters. And a separate area for your stand-up shower, walk-in shower, and toilet. And again, the master bedroom closet is very spacious. So you'll have plenty of room and shelving for your clothes. And it goes back all this way as well. Thank you so much for joining me tonight at 20109 Chanticleer Place in Oregon City. When you do drive through this neighborhood, please make sure to stop by and check out the community amenities. There's lovely walking trails and also basketball court, swings, playground that is a must-see. If you have any questions, as I said, or inquiries or any interest, please reach out. I'm happy to answer all of your questions. You can reach me directly on my cell phone at 503-381-7672, or if you'd prefer, feel free just to text 503-536-7208 and text in the subject, when you text in the body, Oregon City Home, and you'll be taken to a link, and it'll be a web page with my contact information where you can contact me. And also tomorrow when we go live, we'll go live in the morning, because this was your sneak peek. It will be, when you click that same link, it'll take you directly for the property page. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining me tonight. I look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now.